Well, good morning! Good morning, Alpha Plus Series team. Ayan. Well, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, bigay ko yung thought kung paano natin palabasin yung Miravision at Clear Motion. Para yung Miravision is yun yung nagpapaganda ng quality ng picture natin. And yung Clear Motion, alam nyo na yun. Pwede nating i-on, i-off, depende kung mas gusto natin. So, first and foremost, number 1, dapat ang launcher natin is Nova Launcher. Yan. Kailangan yan. And then, pag meron na kayong Nova Launcher, yan, set as default. And then, first thing, palabasin natin yung Miravision settings. So, kasi sa stock Liwa, wala tayong kitang Miravision. Pang KitKat lang to ha, Liwa OS. So, pinch in, dalawang fingers, click on widgets, and then choose activities. Pinch lang natin, and then ilagay natin sa desktop. There you go. So makikita natin yung mga activities ng ating phone, yung mga apps natin, kung ano yung mga internal activities pa. So hanapin natin yung Miravision. Sorry. So hanapin natin yung Miravision. Yan, click natin. May napakita, Miravision activity. Click lang natin. So, nagpakita yung Miravision. So, click natin yung Miravision. There you go. Pwede natin yung ambient light adaptive luma, light sensitive brightness, para automatic brightness siya. And then, ayan. And then, kung gusto mo, yung quick mode, yan, standard. Mas napansin mo siguro yung kulay sa standard, vivid. Then, sa user mode naman, pwede nating iset yung contrast, saturation, picture brightness, sharpness, color temperature. Pag sa sa vivid, default na yan. Hindi mo mapapalitan yung mga basic color tuning, advanced tuning. Yan, hindi natin mapapalitan. Same sa standard natin. Yung default. So, I prefer vivid para mas maganda yung ambient ng pictures natin sa CP. And then, so that's Miravision. Second is the Clear Motion. So, same procedure. Pinch in, widgets, activities, shortcuts, lagay sa desktop. And this time, ang hahanapin natin para mapalabas yung Clear Motion is hanapin natin yung settings. So, scroll down na lang natin, hanapin natin yung settings. There you go, settings. So, under settings, meron siyang 142 activities. So, ang hanapin natin dito is yung Clear Motion theme. Yan. Just click. There you go, Clear Motion theme settings. Kasi sa default Liwa OS natin, naka-default ng on yung Clear Motion natin. So, through this, pwede nating i-off, pwede nating i-on. So, press mo lang yon. And then, yan, wapa, magpapakita na. Pwede yung, and then, drag mo yan. Wala siyang Clear Motion. So, on natin, meron siyang Clear Motion. So, there you go mga flashers dyan. That's my tutorial for Miravision and Clear Motion. Of course, maraming salamat sa yung idea, nagbigay ng idea from Launch Alcatel Flash ng Indonesia, and pangalan niya is wait, kailangan natin ipakita. Pangalan is yan, let's make bigyan natin ng credit sa gumawa. Credit to Yasfi Firmansyah. Ayan, from Indonesia. So there you go mga flashers, hope you enjoy.